Hey, maybe you're interested in Bitcoin. Let me tell you why you should be sticking with a strategy such as property. So, there's a reason why people say, Stephen, why are you so against Bitcoin and currencies? So let me tell you why. Let's say right now, Bitcoin is at a rate of £60,000 per coin, okay? And people talk about Bitcoin shooting up and it might go to another level again. So let's say it goes up to 66,000. Let's say it goes up 20% and it goes to 72,000. Let's say that it goes up 50% and it goes up to £90,000 per coin. Well, firstly, you've got to get that money to be able to get the gain. Secondly, you're using money that you have that has already been taxed. Thirdly, you're using something that you can't get leverage with. So, I've just recently bought a plot of land and I've sold it. I bought that plot of land for £200,000 and I sold it for £400,000 12 months later without getting any planning on it, without doing any works at all. So you might be thinking, well, I don't have £200,000. That money was raised by investors. So if I could show you how to tap into investors, you would be able to buy plots of land exactly like I bought. That plot of land was 100% gain, meaning Bitcoin would have to go now from 60,000 to 120,000 for you to get the same gain. Here's another thing. Because my assets are in a limited company, I can do really creative things. So I can set up things like group structure and I can offset some of my losses, which I purposely create in one limited company, and I carry those losses over. Now you might be thinking, well, you've just made losses in a business and you've made a gain over here. But there's something that you can take advantage of. So if I wish to show you how you can do developments using things like bridging finance, and you're allowed to use them interest payments as a loss, meaning that when you start out, you've created a bundle of losses even though you structured the deal with no money. So I'm able to double my money very easily doing things like this. I don't need my own money. I can gain leverage from the bank. I can be more tax efficient in the way that I'm set up, and I don't have that risk of something that goes up and down like this all of the time. If you're investing in property, you control the asset and you can see exactly where your money's going. So if you've been thinking about the old Bitcoin and you'd rather do property instead, around this video there's a link. Click that, jump on a call with one of my coaches, and literally within the next 48 hours you could be in my private group being guided by me personally. Hope to see you on the other side. Thank you, Stephen.